Section 10.4 continues our discussion of logarithms, and we're going to talk about the properties of logarithms. So the first two properties I want to talk about are the quotient properties and the product properties. So if I have log base a of xy, I can pull that apart and rewrite it as log base a of x plus log base a of y. And this kind of makes sense because what do we do when we're multiplying exponents? Well, we add those exponents. And remember, a logarithm is an exponent. When I've got log base a of x over y, I can rewrite that as log base a of x minus log base a of y. And this makes sense. Remember, when we're dividing exponents, what do we do to those exponents? Well, we subtract them. So let's use this example to pull them apart and write them as a sum or difference of two logarithms. So if I have log base 6 of 7 times 9, I can rewrite this as log base 6 of 7 plus log base 6 of 9. And I can't simplify this any further. I could plug it into a calculator, but right now we're just practicing using that product property to pull them apart. If I have log base 9 of 15 over 7, that becomes log base 9 of 15 minus log base 9 of 7. Now, let's use the product and quotient property to find the value of each of the following expressions. If I have log base 8 of 2 plus log base 8 of 4, since we're adding them, I can rewrite that as a product. So I have log base 8 of 2 times 4. So I have log base 8 of 8, which we learned in section 10.3 is 1. I have log base 6 of 9 plus log base 6 of 4. So I've got log base 6 of 9 times 4. That's log base 6, 9 times 4 is 36. Log base 6 of 36, well, what power do I raise 6 to make it look like 36? That's 2. Now that I'm subtracting, I'm going to take a difference. I've got log base 5 of 35 divided by 7. That becomes log base 5 of 5, which is 1. And then I have log base 8 of 16 minus log base 8 of 2. That's log base 8 of 16 divided by 2, which is log base 8 of 8, which is 1. So here is a summary of the properties of logarithms. The product and quotient property we covered today. These other properties we covered in section 10.3. So let's do some final examples. If I have 4 to the log base 4 minus log base 4 of 5, that means I have 4 to the log base 4 of 6 over 5. And we are going to use the log as an exponent property, which was if I have a to the log base a of r, that's going to equal r to get our answer of 6/5. Now I have 5 to the log base 5 of 6 plus log base 5 of 7. So I have 5 to the log base 5 of 6 times 7, which is 5 log 5 of 42. My answer is going to be 42.